Samsung's Galaxy S series is on the brink of a design revolution. With Samsung's 15th anniversary of the Galaxy S series drawing near, sources from South Korean media hint at the dawn of a new design era starting with the Galaxy S25 series. After 3 generations, Samsung may finally bid farewell to their current design. Rumors suggest significant changes in the overall design and concept of the Galaxy S25 series. One surprising change could be the increase in screen size from 6.2 inches to 6.36 inches. Interestingly, Apple seems to be following a similar path with the rumored iPhone 16 Pro base model, sporting a 6.3-inch display. Samsung hasn't altered the screen size of their Galaxy S base model since the Galaxy S20 series, which was about 4 years ago. Considering this, Samsung might also make similar changes to the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra models. If you saw our recent video, we discussed the size increase in the Apple iPhone 16 Pro series. And this news of the S25 series getting a size increase and design change is no surprise, since Samsung competes with Apple in their flagship segment. Hence, this confirms the fact that Samsung does follow Apple's footsteps. Many Samsung users might disagree with this statement, but that's just the reality. Anyway, while there are no visual design leaks of the S25 series yet, reports suggesting significant changes could indicate a major design overhaul. The S24 Ultra might be a favorite among flagship phones, but if the S25 Ultra comes with a new design look, it would be much more exciting for the fans. In other news, before the launch of the S25 series next year, a major launch of the next Galaxy Z series phones is anticipated. According to early rumors, Samsung's next 2024 Unpacked event could take place in early July in Paris. The choice of Paris as a location seems logical, given Samsung's partnership and major sponsorship of the 2024 Summer Olympics. Since this is obvious when Samsung announces their next folding products, France could indeed be the next location. Stay tuned as we cover a plethora of Galaxy Z series updates in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let us know if you'd like to see a significant design change in the Galaxy S25 series. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.